my wife made. Cabin on it. Okay, so we got all the logs down. Everything has been pre-fitted. Okay, with these I call them fish mouths, but with these side scribes, you know, you can't really put in the front before the sides in the final, but you got to have it there to get your proper height. So it is definitely a truffle shuffle. We're gonna go ahead and me and the lift. I always say we're. The lift and we're gonna get these logs in. Get this rolled up into place here. Okay, I'm gonna do some chiseling. Okay, we chiseled it out. This side, well, it didn't really get touched. We didn't have to do, because that was the side that wasn't touching them. But because this log bells at the end, it's better safe than sorry. If you take out too much, you can't go backwards. But if you don't take out enough, you can always do a next scribe and get it nice and tight. So that's what we're doing here. We're gonna chip all this out and put this log back down. It's just being kind of lifted up here for now. Okay, she's ready. Let's go ahead and drop her down. All right, this is that template scribe that we couldn't get up on top Made one last adjustment on this side. Looks good. Okay, well, we're staged here to roll this log into place. So I'll come back when I'm close. Okay, we are making progress. All right, I'm about ready to drill this together. That's the one that was challenging. Okay, well, that went well. We've got this side is secure, nice and tight. All the notches look good. This was the hardest side. This is what happens when you fit the final log in. When you get this, there's one last adjustment here to make. I gave myself room down there, so when I take a little more meat out here and I slide the log in tight, that I'm still going to be protected over there by the other cap logs. So yeah, that's what we're doing next. Okay. Okay, here is a stress crack that I just filled with, they call it dark brown, but I mean, in my book, it's close to black as you're going to get. That crack goes from top to bottom, right through the cat face. And if you were to put another color in there, I just don't know how good it would have blended. There's another large crack over here. It was casting a large shadow. And it allows water to get in. So we went ahead and cheat that. Then this edge along here, where the rim joist treated meets the log, we went ahead and chinked that on the top and the bottom. Here's the other side. Notch work finalized. Looks good. All right. This job, see, he had someone else that he had staining these, a friend of his, so he said go ahead and let them stain it. So that needs you know, some cleanup, a little bit of touch up, and then another 1 or 2 coats to darken it. But yeah, it's Done deal, you guys. Well, it was a fun job. Nice and peaceful up here. There's nobody home, but I know he's gonna like it because he already gave me a high five. Said that I exceeded his high expectations. Oh, hi, pretty. You're a beautiful sight to see after finishing the job. Oh, there she goes. Any day you see an elk is a good day.